If you're a landowner or just want to do a bit of handiwork around the yard, the Husqvarna 450 18-inch gas-powered chainsaw is perfect when you need high-powered, fast-cutting action. There's no need to break your back trying to start the chainsaw, as the Husqvarna features a smart start system that gets the chainsaw going with little effort. The fuel pump has been optimized and starter cord resistance reduced by up to 40%. The 450 uses a centrifugal air cleaning system to remove dust and debris before it hits the filter. This preserves the life of the engine and keeps the chainsaw working efficiently for years to come. The 450 has a powerful 3.2 horsepower motor that's low on emissions and conserves fuel. If you're looking for a powerful and durable chainsaw for domestic jobs around the home, look no further than the Husqvarna 450 18-inch gas-powered chainsaw.